What did you learn in school today?
Today, I learned Haircons at school. And at school, Miss Michelle read a book about it. And when you're at Haircons, you gotta go in the house safe for you, so you don't get Haircons. And you gotta cover up your windows so the glass windows doesn't break.
Oh.
And it picks up cars.
It picks up cars? What is it made of?
The houses?
Wow. And why is it so scary?
Because Haircons make people die.
Wow. Is that what school taught you?
Yeah. So you gotta go in a safe house very quick before the Haircon makes you die.
Is the Haircon a monster?
No.
No? It sounds scary.
Yeah. Where does it come from?
Haircons, I don't know.
But does it happen all the time or just when it rains?
Sometimes.
Oh. What is it called again?
Haircons.
You're so smart. You learned a lot in school.
How about snowstorms?
Snowstorms? You learned that too?
Mm-hmm.
What's a snowstorm?
A snowstorm? When you go in the snow, there will be a snowstorm, and the snowflakes are made out of ice.
Oh, and the snowflakes, aren't they pretty? You can't play in them?
I can't play with them.
So you can play in the snowstorm?
No.
No? Why not?
Because it's slippery ice and you will hurt yourself. You will fall. And you gotta dig up your cars because snow is all over your cars, and then you will slip and hurt yourself.
What happens when you hurt yourself?
I will bleed.
That's okay. We just put a Band-Aid on it. Will it make it better?
Yeah, but I will bleed and you will broke your leg or something on your body and you gotta put a cast on it.
Wow. How do you know what a cast is?
Because it keeps if you have a broken something on your body, then you put the cast on and it will keep it together.
Oh, you're so smart. Did you learn that in school?
Like my finger.
Oh.